Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the display for a specific application like DirecTV. Again, we are going to log into the back end of the configuration of the device. Only change what I'm showing you. Do not go poking around making any of the changes because you could lock yourself out of the device and the device can stop working if you start making other changes that you're not supposed to. So follow along. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to change. And again, this is going to be for the Avit CarBox 4.0 Pro users. You should say Pro right on the front of the device. First thing you're going to do is install DirecTV. So you go to Google Play Store and you can just download and install DirecTV. I'm sure you guys already know how to do that, so we're going to skip that step. And then we're going to go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you're going to go to Other Settings. Then you go to Factory Settings. This is the part that I'm telling you to be careful. Do not go poking around, making other random changes. I promise you, you will either lock yourself out or get to a point where you can't even use the device if you start making changes you're not supposed to. The password was 4545. Then you're going to click on Density. And you're going to go to where it says DirecTV. You'll see that the default, it's currently set to 198. So I'm just going to show you what DirecTV looks like on this vehicle. This is a RAM with Uconnect 5. And you'll notice it's like a vertical orientation on the screen. So people who have like a typical, like your home TV, like the horizontal orientation on your screen, like most cars do, your DirecTV is going to look even better. But on the vertical screen, we can get it to look way better than it does out of the box. So when you first fire up DirecTV, before you make any changes, you see how a big chunk of the image is cut off on the left and the right side. Not only that, you can't even unmute it because the mute button is cut off. So we're going to change it. I'm going to show you how what setting I like to set it to. But I'll show you both. And then you're going to go to Other Settings, Factory Settings, 4545. I'm going to repeat it again. Do not make other changes that you're not supposed to. There's a lot of stuff, crazy stuff in here that isn't really meant for customers. But I wanted to show you guys how you can really customize this. So click on DirecTV. You're going to click on Density and DirecTV. Don't even go into Other. Just Density, DirecTV. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to change this setting to 160. The two numbers that we like to normally go with is either 160 or 240. Now, you don't have to be afraid to experiment and try a different number in here. If the only thing you're modifying here is just how the DirecTV application is looking. So you don't have to be afraid of this part. So I'm going to recommend you do 160. And again, if your DirecTV already looks great the way it is, do not change it because every vehicle has a different size screen, so it's going to be a little bit different for everybody. If yours already looks good, leave it alone. Ignore this video. Don't even touch it. So I set it to 160, and then I'm going to click on Save. Right? And then after that, do not click Save over here. Just click on Quit. That's it. You're done. So now I'm going to go ahead and you have to actually make sure DirecTV is closed out in the background. We have to close the application. So I'm going to click the little butterfly here and then just click on Clear All. That's going to close out all the applications. By the way, that's a good thing to do every time you boot up the device because you might have apps running from the last time you were using it. Just shut down and close out all the applications in the background like we just did. And now open up DirecTV. Now you're going to see what it looks like in here. So in here now, first of all, you can see the mute button. Obviously, it's very small, but you can see that little mute icon. I can unmute it. There we go. I just unmuted it again, and we have audio. Now, I'm going to go ahead and maximize it. Now, again, that's all because we have this vertical screen that is in this orientation. This is a pretty good option. Now, I'll show you what happens if you set it to 240. Again, the two numbers I recommend typically are going to be 160 or 240, but you're welcome to change it to a different number if you want to experiment. Just don't go around poking around in the other settings. So here, I'm going to go to Density, and once you're in Density, you're going to go to DirecTV, and then you can change it to 240. to show you what it looks like. And then don't click save here, just click on quit. And then we're going to click the butterfly to make sure the application is closed down, and then we open the application again. Now you'll see what it's going to look like in 240. In 240, basically this little preview window is now a little bit bigger, but you're not going to want to maximize it, because if you maximize it whilst I'm 240 on this Uconnect screen, you're chopping off an even bigger portion on the left and the right side. You're not going to want to do that. So if you're going to want to leave it like this, then you could just hit the back arrow until it's in this screen. But I don't recommend it. I would say for Uconnect screen, I think the magic number that works well for me is probably that 160. So I'm going to close it out and do it again really quickly. Going to go to settings, going to go to other settings, and then we're going to go to factory settings. Then 4545. Now, most of the other applications are not getting either. There's just one other app that sometimes benefits from this, and that's YouTube Music, not the regular YouTube app. So if you're not even using YouTube Music, don't even worry about it. And I wouldn't go around changing the other apps because, like I said, most of the other apps are already good just the way they were pre-set up right from the factory. So again, I'm just going to set this back to the 160, click on save. And then over here, do not click on save. You're here just going to click on quit. Then click this, click the little butterfly, click on clear all. That closes out all the apps. Now you reopen DirecTV. And this is how I feel it looks best on this Uconnect 5 screen, because now I can maximize it. I can unmute it. And we have audio. And you pretty much have the full image. Again, people who have the horizontal type screens, which is 99% of the other vehicles out there, you're going to be perfectly fine. I know there's people out there that work in IT and very technical. Trust me, this applies to you also. Don't go poking around, because these are things that the engineers are always using. And if there's ever a setting in here that needs to be changed, trust me, we're going to make a very specific video showing you exactly what needs to be done. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps.